Hello everyone, this is Joe Workman, and today I would like to introduce you to Mask. Mask is a great general purpose layout utility that allows you to overlay stacked content on top of each other. So let's look at some examples of some of the great ways that we can use Mask. So as we look at this top row, you'll notice as we hover over, we have a very simple yet elegant fading effect. We can see some of the other similar animations. However, instead of a fade, we actually have the top cover or the mask actually unveiling content beneath it. Or if we see in the instance of this far left, we actually have a static mask that there is no hover effect. And finally, if we just want to do a nice, beautiful fade effect between images, we'll notice that we can go from a black and white or a quasi black and white image and fade that into a full colored image. These are just a few examples of what you can do with Mask. Since you could put whatever stack content you would like inside Mask, really your imagination is the limit. What's great is that Mask is fully responsive, so you can use your favorite responsive stacks within Mask and it will behave beautifully. So let's see how easy it is to actually configure Mask. When you add Mask to your page, you'll have two drop zone areas. The top drop area is where you add the content that will be in the back of Mask. And then the bottom drop area is where the actual Mask content, the content that is overlaid on top. So let's go ahead and add some effects here. So in this example, we'll be seeing exactly how we accomplished one of the examples from the demo we looked at earlier. I have a red background with my mask icon. And then in the front, I have also added my mask icon, and then I made the background white and turned the opacity down so that it actually you see through into the background. Now, because I've overlaid the exact same image on top of each other, it actually looks opaque. So it is a visual trick. This way, when we hover over it, the background content will be unveiled. So let's dive into the settings to show you how easy this was to accomplish. So the first setting here determines how the height of your mask stack is calculated. By default, it is set to auto. And this works great for static width websites, and it will automatically calculate the height of the mask container. Ratio is really great for responsive websites, where you want to define a ratio such as 16:9 or 4:3. So the actual ratio of width to height for your particular content. You could also define a max width so that it doesn't expand too far and potentially make your content look too large on your website. And finally, the last height setting is fixed height. This is obviously great for fixed width websites as well, so that you have your height content is a fixed size. However, since this demo is responsive, we're going to use the ratio height algorithm. And we're going to define a ratio of 1:1. Therefore, we want a square. We always want our content to be a square. Now, this ratio should be defined as width, and then your height. No units, simply put in numbers, and this will ensure your content always looks proportional. A little further down, we have rounded corners. And you can also, if the only content within your mask is an image, you can also apply that round corner to the image within the stack. Next, your effect type. You can choose from over 13 effects here. The default is none, so it will actually have no hover effect. Then you can obviously choose your animation speed. And then lastly, we can define the actual background color and opacity for our cover. Default is transparent, which is no background at all. However, you can add a solid colored background and then change the opacity of the entire cover content. And that is the mask stack. I hope you all enjoy this great new stack, and I can't wait to see what you do with it. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.